Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we'll be taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 7219. And this is the Creator Dino Polybag. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, these Polybag build-alongs, please think about subscribing, because I am planning on doing one of these Polybag build-alongs, one a day, every day for the foreseeable future. And also, I have done one a day, every day for, well, it's probably creeping on 5 months at this point. So anyway, there's about 140 some of them already up. So if you like this kind of thing, there's plenty more. And if you're interested in this particular Polybag, I've included links in the description where you can find it on Amazon and on Bricklink. And also, I've included links to Brickset if you just want general information about it. Now, one thing I've noticed, and you probably have noticed the last couple of days too, these older creator sets kind of aren't very exciting. I mean, like they're almost like rudimentary versions of like the creator sets that we've gotten lately. And I mean, maybe that just is showing like the evolution of building, I guess. And so hold on a minute. Yeah, so this is gonna go here like that. And then, but yeah, it's like, I mean, the Stegosaurus was kind of okay, the one we did like 2 days ago, but the shark was just disappointing. I was not impressed with the shark. And the dino, I mean, looking at the dino, it kind of has a Grimlock vibe to it, but it's not really, I mean, it's just kind of, not a lot of moving bits or anything. It's not exactly comparable to one of the more modern creator sets. And, I mean, this one is, I think it's from 2008. So you gotta figure, we've gotten maybe 11, 12 years of creator improvement ahead of this. So, I mean, there's definitely a lot of improvement that's gone on. And yeah, there's definitely a bunch of improvement. The upside though is I think we can use this guy's tail to make him stand up more easily, which I guess is kind of one of the things tails do in the real world. But anyway, yeah, these sets, I mean, like, I'm glad to have put them together just to see. I mean, it's kind of interesting to see the evolution of, you know, the Lego set creation. But as sets go, they're just kind of meh. I mean, they're not particularly exciting. And maybe, I mean, like, maybe this one's going to be a little bit different, but I don't know. I have some doubts about that. Yeah. I don't know. Well, we'll see. Maybe things will shape up and this will get much more interesting. But I'm not exactly betting on it. Because good old Grimlock over there looks pretty... He looks pretty simplistic. And one of the things that I have noticed that most definitely wows me when it comes to like the Lego Polybag sets is I like the things that are interesting and kind of like surprisingly more complicated than you expected. And I don't think Grimlock is that guy. So good old Grimlock gets a pair of eyeballs like so, and like so. Speaking of that, did any of y'all ever, when you were kids, did any of y'all ever build Transformers? Because that was one thing that I did a lot of. I used to build Transformers out of my Legos. Alright, so there's that, and there's that. And we got that. Alright, so we got to give good old Grimlock some arms. So Grimlock gets an arm here. And Grimlock gets an arm here. Like so. That takes care of that. And next, we gotta give good old Grimlock some legs. Oh. He also gets the back of his head. Sorry about that. Meow. There you go. Alright, so next, good old Grimlock gets some legs. So leg number 1. And leg number 2. And then these attach right here and right here. Alright, so one thing is he was definitely taller than I was expecting. And so I wasn't expecting him to be quite this tall. So this is good old Grimlock. He's actually kind of tall. And surprisingly, he stands up just fine. So, I guess there's, oh, extra piece-wise, I got those. So, yeah, I don't know. I'm not exactly wowed by the Creator Dino. I feel like the later Creator sets do much better than this. But I like him about as much as a Stegosaurus and not as much as, like, I don't like the shark. I did not like the shark. The shark is my hands down my least favorite of these because I felt it looked least shark-like. But he does at least, he is at least suggestive of what he's supposed to be. Like you can kind of figure out he's a dinosaur. He's probably a Tyrannosaurus. He most likely does not transform into a robot. But still. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Y'all fans of Grimlock here or not? I don't know. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.